Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, welcome, bienvenidos. Wow, this has been the longest I think I have ever been gone from YouTube, and it wasn't of my own free will, okay? If you follow me on Instagram, you know that we were affected by Hurricane Beryl here in Texas, and I was without power for pretty much a week. And then I got sick. I got COVID, which is like, hello, who gets COVID in 2024? But here I am. So I'm still a little nasally. I still have a little bit of congestion, and it's not cute, but we're here. I missed you guys so much. I missed filming. I missed doing my makeup. So I figured I would come back with one of my favorite videos to film, which is my go-to nude lip combos. You guys love these. You guys go crazy for these types of videos. So I figured I would dip my toes back into the water and start with something like this. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So grab your cafecito, grab some notes, grab your pen or grab your phone because you're gonna wanna try these lip combos, and let's jump right into it. Got my makeup wipes right here, and I think we are ready to go. I actually just noticed that my highlight on my nose is a little much, but the nose today, she is snatched, y'all. Oh my gosh. I have not done my makeup literally in like over a week. I had not been doing my hair. I mean, I had no access to like power, so obviously I wasn't gonna prioritize like doing my makeup and all this and that. But man, y'all, like sometimes you don't appreciate the little things that you have until they're gone. And power was like, whoo, one of the things that's mama was struggling without, okay? So let's jump right into my current go-to favorite lip combos. I have some that I have shown on camera, and then some other ones that I have not. So let's get right into it. The first lip combo that I have been obsessed with for the past maybe like 2-3 weeks is this one from Morphe. Y'all, Morphe is like making a comeback with their new blushes, and then the euphoric blushes. Those are so good. And then they have these new like little dropper blushes. It's like little droplets. I bought one for my daughter because she's starting school very soon, and it's fun to buy her makeup, okay? Don't judge me. Anyways, so I saw these and I was like, let me try them. I have tried the Velvet Lip Mousse from Morphe and I really like them, but this combo, y'all, it's so good. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the lip liner in the shade Honey. Now this lip liner is actually very light compared to the lip liners that I usually go for. I am a brown lip girly through and through, but this lip liner with this combo in specific is so good. And then we're gonna go in with our liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Quick Crush, and it is the prettiest like soft beige pink. If you guys like the new Velvet liquid lipsticks from ABH, these are comparable, not a dupe, but very comparable to those, except these are not as pigmented as the ABH, but they have a similar dry down, except the ABH is a little bit more velvety and like moussey, and these are a little more velvety but liquidy. So there you have it. This is lip combo numero uno. It is very soft, very pale. It's not too dark on the lip liner. It's just like the perfect everyday wearable soft nude pink. Really pretty, and it goes with so many eye looks. Like I'm wearing it with this eye look today that is very basic and looks really pretty, but you can also pair it with like a darker smoky brown or black eye and it will look so gorgeous. So what do you guys think? Okay, now let's jump into another lip combo that I've been really enjoying, and this one is actually really basic, but it is so pretty. And it is using the brand new e.l.f. lip glosses. So these are the Sun Boss Gloss with broad spectrum of SPF 25, y'all. What? What? I'm going to take one of my favorite lip liners, the ABH Soft Cool Brown lip liner. I always call it soft brown because it's like a soft brown, but it's actually called cool brown. So I'm going to go ahead and take this lip liner and, excuse me, line the lips. Now at the top, I like to, or I've actually been overlining my lips a tiny bit just because I haven't gotten my lips done in over a year, and I'm actually not planning on getting my lips done again until I dissolve all my lip filler, because I've been getting lip filler for like 6 years at this point, and not once have I dissolved it. And even though you don't see the migration, it's definitely there. So it is time for me to dissolve them, but I am petrified, which is why I just haven't even bothered to do my lips again. So all I'm trying to say is I'm overlining my lips. Don't judge me. This is in the shade Pink Me Girl, which is a really pretty soft nude pink. And literally, I'll just take the gloss and run it all over. And I mean, it's good for your lips. It's going to keep them protected against the sun, and it looks pretty. It smells so good. The formula on these glosses are really nice. They're a little thicker, but they're like creamy in a way. They're not sticky, they're not goopy, and they're really, really good. If you guys haven't tried the new e.l.f. Sun Boss glosses, definitely try them because they're really good, and they have a few really pretty shades. Perfect lip combo every day. It's wearable, it's cute, office appropriate, work appropriate, everyday attire appropriate. So I love this. What do you guys think? Okay, so this last lip combo that I have for y'all, I switch in between lip liners, and I'm going to show you the one with the lip liner that you guys haven't seen, because you have seen this lip combo at least in 2 videos now. Again, using the Cool Brown lip liner by ABH, and then I go in with Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Double Dates. I'm sure you guys have seen this. If you know, you know. But I originally bought this lip combo with the Los Angeles Suede lip liner from NYX, and it is so pretty. It's definitely a little more like pinky, but nonetheless it's beautiful. So let's go in with this lip combo. Oh, I'm getting so stuffy. I feel like a lot of people are gonna lean towards this lip combo, and then again going in with Colourpop Double Date. And I actually have a lip brush, or a brush, that I specifically use to help me blend my lip combos, and literally that's all I use it for. I'm gonna go back with my lip liner. I feel like I need a little extra contrast here. Now these Colourpop Ultra Matte Lippies dry pretty quickly, so make sure that you get your line as crisp as possible, because once you go back, it's like very hard to blend in the lipstick or the lip liner because your lip product has dried down. But this has been another one of my like recent go-to lip combos. Again, I go back and forth between NYX London and ABH Cool Brown, but this one right here has just been like my girl. It's the perfect nudie pink color, and it's like not too bold. It is subtle enough to wear it every day. Now, if you wanted to add a gloss, this one goes really well with the e.l.f. Sun Boss Gloss. That is such a tongue twister for me. I'm just going to show you guys, but you can leave it like this. I am personally more of a matte lip girly, but I do enjoy a gloss every now and then. So just take your gloss, add it right on top. And the best thing is that because you are wearing a lip or a matte lipstick on the bottom, this is actually going to last so much longer on your lips, and you don't have to worry about it, you know, fading away because you have that matte lipstick underneath. So this is my recent go-to nude lip combos, you guys. I am posting this or these on TikTok as well as on my Instagram. So if you guys want to follow me, just want a little reminder or jot it down or just see them in like different angles, things like that, definitely follow me. I have all my social medias linked in the description box down below. I will also link everything in the description box, or check out my Amazon storefront. I also have like a little list where I do like my favorite nude lip combos, and you can just shop the whole bundle there. So I think that is everything. Oh my gosh, I felt so good just being back here and talking to you guys and just showing you what I've been loving as far as lip products, because you guys, I know you guys love when I do lip products, and I love lip products. Like, that is my favorite thing to shop for. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section down below. You guys can let me know what videos you guys want to see next, because I am ready to be back on the YouTube. Okay, I love you guys, stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
Subscribe.
Bye.